Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to log into our F.I.L.A University. Let's get started. So to log into your F.I.L.A University, what you can do is just simply open up your browser. You can select any browser you like, and after opening up your browser in search bar, you can search for F.I.L.A University login. After searching for F.I.L.A University login, you can just tap on the second option which says F.I.L.A University. And now in order to log into your account in first blank, you have to enter your email address. After entering your account's email address, what you can do is just enter your account's password. After entering the password, now just tap on sign in, and after tapping on sign in, you'll successfully sign into your account. But if you have forgotten your account's password, then just tap on forgot your password. And after tapping on forgot your password, you can easily reset or recover your account's password by creating a new one. So just create a new password and then come back to this page. After coming back to this page, just enter the new password that you have created and tap on sign in, and after tapping on sign in, you'll successfully sign into your account. So that's it guys, this is how to sign into your F.I.L.A University. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.